How can I get more flavorful jasmine rice? I'm used to cooking basmati, which can stand on its own with just a few spices and a little butter. With jasmine rice, I come away disappointed. The rice never seems to bring anything to the dish, and generally comes off a little bland, even with fairly potent flavorings. Is there some technique or trick specific to jasmine rice that I should be using? Are there particularly good flavor, ingredient combos for jasmine rice I can use?
Not sure how much rice you are making, but if making about 2 cups of rice, first heat 3 tablespoons of peanut oil over medium-high heat. Add the rice and toast it in the oil until it releases a nutty fragrance, about 1 to 2 minutes. Then I like to use chicken stock, 3 cups, to finish it off. Personal preference, but I like to add scallions, green onions, and cilantro to the rice when it is done. Cooking it this way, I have not noticed a tremendous taste difference from different brands of jasmine rice. A few things come to mind. Before cooking, cook the rice in coconut milk, maybe with a piece of ginger, or put a teaspoon or 2 of cumin seeds in the cooking water. After cooking, mix with fried scallions, ginger and mustard or cumin seeds.